So, students of class 7, Annulation, a poem, Seasons of Life. From your PA2 syllabus. Here, before we read the poem, something is told. In William Shakespeare's play, As You Like It. As You Like It is the name of a play written by Shakespeare. One of the characters compares the world to a stage and life to a play. Man is compared to an actor, playing various roles in his life, from infancy to death. So what was being told in that As You Like It? We are going to read a few lines from that. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their influences, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. So here what you can get to know is that world is compared to a stage, and the men and women here are the actors. They have their entries and exits from the stage, and one man in his lifetime plays many parts. So, and his acts being separated into 7 ages. So here is a poem in which the poet uses a different metaphor to explore the various stages in a person of life. Metaphor, comparison, a different comparison. How like the seasons is our life. We face the sunshine, storms, and strife. As seasons come, so they must go. We are enjoined within that flow. So what is being told here? Just like the seasons our life is, in our life we have the sunshine, the storm, and the strife, the struggle, the hardship. As seasons come, so they must go. And the one season comes and it goes away, another season comes. We are enjoined within that flow, and we are connected. We are actually there within that flow. So we pass our lives throughout the different seasons of life. So this much here in this slide. Let us move on to the other to see what is being told there. So here we get to read this. In spring we start our journey new, when flowers bloom and skies are blue. The trees are budding, birds will sing. With youth in bloom, it's always spring. So here the spring season is described, and this is the beginning of a man's life, just like the beginning of the year, spring. We start our journey new journey we start. And at this stage, the flowers bloom and the skies remain blue. The trees bud, birds sing. And with youth in bloom, it's always a spring. The youth is in blooming stage. So it's spring. These are the things that happen during springtime. Now after spring, the summer. It's a summer soon. After spring, summer comes. We are mature now. Face love and kids. Home and career. It's harvest time. Success we seek. The sounds of summer leave us weak. Now, during the summertime, we prepare ourselves for a better career. We have to face love and kids, home and career, all this we have to worry about. It's harvest time. Success we seek. This is the time we do hard labor to get success. And the sounds of summer leave us weak. And the hard labor of summer make us weak. Then autumn calls to have its say. The foliage falls, the hair turns grey, the chill descends, and soon the frost. We think, perhaps on things we lost. Now, after summer comes autumn, and as we all know, the foliage, the leaves fall. The hair of a person turns grey. The chill descends, now the cold descends on earth, and soon the frost, and very soon the frost also appear. We think perhaps on things we lost. Maybe we think about the things we lost. Now comes winter after autumn. All winter grieves with snow and cold. Now winter holds nature in its grip with snow and cold. We watch our destined fate unfold, and we actually look at our destined fate unfold. Now, what we have in our destiny that seems to unfold itself in front of our eyes, as now we near our time to go, and this is the time where we think about leaving this world and seek life's final afterglow. Now we actually seek for the heaven, a satisfactory life after death. This is the time we think about that. So we have seen how beautifully the 4 seasons of life are compared to 4 stages of a human life. And this is what we get to know from this poem. Hope you liked it. With that, I conclude this presentation. We'll come up with new things in the next presentation. Till that time, I would like to say bye to you all. Thank you.